got an Edison dictaphone. This is a dictaphone listening device, and it uses wax cylinders like these long wax cylinders, and they come in the Voice Writer Master Wax cylinder sleeves, and they're different than a 4-minute wax cylinder, as you can see here. About the same diameter, but definitely different length. And so I found this on eBay and have not had a chance to service it, so I've taken it apart, taken the covers off of it so that you can see it in operation, and spent several hours lubricating the mandrel to get it to run, and I discovered how to hook up power to the back of it here. So let's fire this thing up and see what we've got on some of these wax cylinders. It's in pretty bad shape. You can see the erosion or corrosion, however you want to say that. I'll plug the unit in and it will start right up and run. You can barely hear the motor running. It's very quiet, and the got a spinning mandrel and a reproducer. It's called a reproducer. It's got a needle on the bottom side here that rides along the cylinder and vibrates sound, and we can either use a horn to listen to the audio, or I found one of these quite some time ago. Basically all it is a microphone built into with a cord on it that we can hook directly to our little 3D printed amplifier. So that's what we're going to do, so we can hear it a little bit better, but we'll do both just so you can hear it. So this is the there was a headset that would hook on here with a thing that would come over and hook on to this. It was just a tube, a listening tube, and when you would put it here to stop the mandrel from spinning, and we got a speed control here, slow and fast. I can show you the speed. I don't know if you can notice the difference in the speed there. Nice and slow. So let's slide one of these. I don't know if one of these has audio. I don't remember. One of these has audio on it that is pretty rough, so we have to be careful. You slide all the way on and engage right there. This tube pops out like that, and then this lowers and raises the reproducer. So we're going to slide the reproducer all the way down, start it up, and we'll put our audio on here. And the hole in that cylinder is chunking the needle. We get past that. Now let's get past that bad spot. It's pretty wide. You can see it right there. Pretty bad. So let's get over here where it's not quite as noisy.
Please let us know your response to reaction. I am sure that I haven't made all of these points completely clear, so...
Okay. There's a date in here on this recording. If I remember.
December 23, 1958, which was the date of the paragraph. Also attached to this letter, you will find a partially completed worksheet, which will be used to give the Home Office the necessary additional information.
All right, that cylinder is in really bad shape, as you can see. It's got some pretty bad spots on it, but let's see if we can find another. It takes a second for the needle to find the groove and the screws driving this thing all the way down at the right pace. Okay, so anyway, it's pretty cool that we're actually listening to a 65-year-old recording. I don't think I'm going to put this one on here. You can see the pitting, how bad the pitting is on that one. Pretty rough. And I don't know if this has been cleaned, shaved. Let's see if we have any audio. Yeah. So that one has been shaved, and I did a video on my wax cylinder shaver I've got in the listening museum. Refurbished that. We're going to slide this 4-minute cylinder into the mandrel, and we're going to see if we can actually listen to a 4-minute music. A couple of guys said that it's not possible, but I'm almost certain that this is a 4-minute screw on this that drives it across the thing. So let's see what kind of audio we get here. Okay, so it does play 4-minute cylinders. For those of you collectors that said that it won't, I realize that the needle may be a little bit different And this is an older blue Amaral 4-minute cylinder, Amaral, and Rock of Ages. And so that is the, it will play 4-minute music cylinders, which it was really never originally designed to do that. So, but it does play. So let's listen to that music once again, just for giggles. Actually, let's put the I guess it was this one. Let's put this one on there. I don't remember which one it was. Okay. Let's listen to it on the transmission filter tube. A little better fidelity. All right. So let's open this up so you can see. I'm going to unplug it, and we'll take the cylinder off. And I want to open it up. There are lots of videos on these on YouTube, so we won't belabor the point. There are guys that have explained how the governor works. This is the governor that fly weights and adjust the speed. So if you really are interested in it to that degree, you can go search and hunt all kinds of videos. But I'll fire it up here. You can see the motor running, see the belt drive over here, and but you can hear how quiet the motor is. There's an AC DC switch here and a power switch right here that we're controlling the motor. There's a transformer here, and the plug. Took me a little while to figure out what wires ran the actual motor. There are bypass switches that you could turn on and off while you were listening, or a foot pedal, probably a foot pedal for the secretary, to listen to and stop the cylinder from playing. But that's the Edison Dictaphone. Now let's turn it off, open this up, let you see how that closes, let you see the back side here. There's the screw that drives the reproducer across the cylinder, and that appears to be a 4-minute, what we call a 4-minute screw. And now I'm going to get a picture of the needle, because I think that's of interest. We'll get the camera repositioned and take a look at the needle that touches the cylinder. Okay, let's see if I can point that out. There's the mandrel that's spinning. Right there's the needle. You see it up inside there. And if I lift it up, you might be able to see it a little bit better. Right there's the needle. And it's sometimes an emerald, piece of emerald chip. Some have said that it's a diamond chip. I don't really know. But in any case, it vibrates a diaphragm. That little thing rides and is hooked to a little diaphragm in here that vibrates and sends the sound waves up to the tube, or in this case, into our little microphone. So that's all there is to it.